Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The catch is they make money on the cash you have in the app that isn't invested by investing it themselves, and they make money from people with Robinhood Gold. You also can't do more than 3-day trades per week and abuse their free trades. You also can't do more than 3-day trades per week and abuse their free trades.
Take our lead.
They can't be worth less than something. But you can have an account go negative and lose more than you invest if you're buying stocks on margin instead of buying with cash. Robinhood tends to offer margin accounts for its users with very little explanation or oversight as to what it means.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you have investments in Robinhood, and they go out of business, yes, you will lose your money. When that happens, your money is gone. It is now many years after the Madoff scandal and investigators have worked tirelessly for 12 years to try to recover assets for the many scammed clients.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It's not limited to only Redditors taking on risky investment moves. If you do some proper research, Robinhood can, at the very least, serve as a good introduction to investing. But no matter how savvy you are at picking stocks, you're highly unlikely to beat the market over the long term.
Make your mark, take our lead.
We'll add 1 share of free stock to your account when your brokerage application is approved. You'll be able to keep the stock or sell it after 2 trading days. How does Robinhood choose which stock I get? The shares of free stock are chosen randomly from our inventory of settled shares.
Let's help you make your mark.
Robinhood is also a poor high-volume, real-time trading platform because it lacks the customizable charts and data of other brokerage sites. And as I've mentioned, Robinhood's quotes are delayed, sometimes significantly so.
Take our lead.
Robinhood isn't a scam. In order to use it, do your research outside of the app. It is great for funding an account quickly. I use Interactive Brokers as my main account and do small trades until they get to a certain amount and cash them out.
Let's help you make your mark.
Robinhood app is one of the most safest financial app out there. Without your SSN, they cannot verify your identity and allow you to do trades. Your social security number is encrypted and Robinhood uses TLS security to protect your information from hackers.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Robinhood allows investors to buy on margin, which is tempting when you want to build a portfolio quickly. You use the stocks you already own as collateral to borrow money from your broker to invest more. A 50% loss made you lose your entire investment, and then some when you account for interest.
Take our lead.
Robinhood does not offer access to mutual funds, IRAs, 401k accounts, shorting stocks, futures trading or joint accounts. Meager research capabilities. As most Robinhood reviews point out, it lacks research filters and trading analysis tools. Attracts uninformed investors.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.